Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel or my social media platform, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you're watching from. Thank you once again. And today I'm going to talk about currency pair in our second episode of Introduction to Forex. In Introduction to Forex, we know that we normally trade Forex in currency pair in terms of pair. We trade Forex in terms of pair. So that is what leads to our topic today. We are going to talk about currency pair. A currency pair refers to as the pairing of two different currency in forex trading. It represents the exchange rate between the two currency, and it is written in a specific format. It is written in a specific format such as Euro USD. As you can see here is Euro USD, GBP, JPY. The first currency in the pair is called the base currency. It's called the base currency. It's called the base currency. While the second currency is called quote currency. So let me show you an example of what that means. So this is what it means. Look at Euro USD. So this is the base currency. The Euro is the base currency. Why the USD is the base? Is the quote currency. So here, as you can see, the first currency pair is called the base currency, and the second currency is called the quote currency. So Forex is trade in pair. Like, let me say like this. Right, the currency, let me say like Euro let me say Euro USD. So this is the quote currency, while this is the base currency, because you are trading euro against US dollar. To say you are buying indirectly, then you are selling this indirectly in your trading platform. This where I show you this place. Okay. In this, and here is the chart. We are going to talk about the chart later. So here is Euro USD. Base currency, then quote currency, the USD. So as we enter the market, we all know that USD have its criteria. What moves the market in US? Anything happen in UX in fluctuation, politics, crisis, like when Russia and some, like, is the US, they were fighting early last year. So you can see there's crisis in the market. This crisis, it affects the market, it affects the forex trading industry, and some other little fundamental news. This is what they call news fundamental that affects the market also, which it affects this current currency, and it affects the current country. Well, when we go back to Euro, in Euro, there are other things that affect their market also. Political recession, like when there is COVID-19, it affects the market really hard. Politics, and also there are news that they release data monthly as we go further in our next episode or preview, next episode, I'm going to talk about that, and I will show you how you can be able to identify them. So this is how they are. Look, as you can see, this is GBP, USD, USD, JPY, Euro, GBP. As we go on, then currency pair allows traders to speculate on the value fluctuation between the two currencies and make trading decisions based on their expectation. Like if you study this euro in their country, or if you study USD in their own country, then you will check the market. How is it going to move? Like here is a chart of 5 minutes. How is it going to move? Like today is NLP. That was what caused this movement. What caused this movement in the market? You will cause this movement. Let me use 1 hour and see. As you can see, the graph went up. So many people buy euro. Many people bought euro. So today news was great. It worked very perfectly because of some technical analysis. I don't want to go deep into technical analysis that I've shown you, but in my next episode, I'm going to do that so that you can see it gradually. So this is the base currency, this is the code currency, this is the base currency, this is the code currency. And in forex trading, we have 7 major currency pairs that are traded in forex markets. We have 7. These are currency pairs. They are not metals. In my next episode, I'm going to talk about metals, gold, silver, and rest. But these are currency. Like in the first one, we call it Euro USD, United States dollar, and Japanese yen. This USD JPY, British pound sterling, USD, that is GBP USD, and Swiss francs. This USD CHF, the Australian dollar, and USD, that is Aussie USD, the Australian dollar, and Canada, that is USD CAD. We call it in that short name. We have New Switzerland dollar and US dollar, that is NZD USD. As you can see, I'm going to send this PDF in my group, Telegram, and WhatsApp. So try to join and I will guide you more. So look at how they are in pair. We cannot trade only one currency in forex market, or unless we have to trade with another. That is why forex is traded in pair, in terms of pair, I mean to say. So these are the pair, and this is the country. These are the nicknames. Like if I say I want to buy euro, so euro is with dollar. I would say euro USD, that is euro United States, nickname euro dollar. USD JPY, United States dollar yen, but I want to buy dollar yen. So these are their nicknames. This is the country these are the countries that use that, and this is the pair, like euro and dollar. Let's go. I will send a PDF so you go through it again. If I didn't do anything, you can try to get and grab it. So in this image, as you can see, currency nickname. Many currency pair have nickname. Below are some of the common names we call them. Like in forex trading, we call this a nickname. Like today, I want to buy AC. Like you can see, AUD USD. If I want to buy euro, we'll carry euro. Look at it. Fiber. These are their nickname. Cable. That is GBP USD. Swiss. That is USD CHF. USD JPY. Niger. Kiwa. NZD USD. So these are their nickname. As a forex trader, you have to know this their nickname, and it's what we are using in terms of forex. But sometimes to cram this thing is very hard and so hectic. So you can decide to choose and name it the way you want. The end goal for every successful forex trader is to be able to make profit, to make money. So thank you once again. We have come to the conclusion of this episode 2 video. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and order of my handle to keep me more, so that it will keep me on track to make more videos like this as a newbie forex trader, so that we can be able to make this money together. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and try to share with people, please and please. It really helps. See you on my episode 3. This is episode 2. So thank you. Check on the link on the description below and join my Telegram and WhatsApp group, so that I can be able to stay on check. So thank you. See you on my next episode. Thank you.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park, pot.